Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh and I am the Average Joe Day Trader. Guys, if you have not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button, drop a like, and also click the notification bell so that you're alerted every time that we put a new video in the channel. The point of this channel is to be able to talk about the market a little bit, share with you some things going on in the market or the news, and to talk about some of the best day trading stocks. So we're going to get right into it, guys. The market has been volatile the last couple days, but I'm going to tell you, still a great opportunity to make money. Let's talk about what happened on the 26th, which was Wednesday, March 26th. APLD. Guys, I've talked about the stock all the time. I love to trade the stock. Again, please remember, this is not financial advice. I am just giving you my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, do your own homework. APLD, Applied Digital, amazing company. They had a hard drop, but you're gonna see that this stock literally went from about $8.03 at the open and literally dropped all the way down to, let's see, $6.11 at close. Continued on a bit of a down and horizontal trend through the night into the pre-market, and then opened up at $6 and what is this here? Hold on one second. $6 and it came up, opened at $7.37. And then it just continued to drop through the next day, all the way down to $6.50. And then again today, on March 27th, rallied down all the way to where it currently closed at $6.10. Now, here's the thing about APLD, guys. APLD is a beautiful stock. Don't be afraid by it. It's not going anywhere. It's not dropping out. Again, just my opinion, but that stock was running at about $5.97 at one point, all the way down to even earlier than that. It was at $5.60 something cents. So it's got a little bit more room to come down, but at the end of the day, it's still a great day trade stock. Today, specifically in this stock, and I'm going to jump into the 1 minute chart and just tell you there were three great opportunities to make some money today. At about 9:55 a.m., the stock went on an upswing and had the opportunity, if you read the candles right, to make about 30 cents per share. Later around noon, it ran up again for about another 10, 12 cents a share. And then towards the end of the market day, it had another rally for about another 20 cents per share. So those three opportunities to get in and get out and make some money, okay? Good stock, APLD. Also, you guys have heard me talk about, and so I'm gonna pull it up here in my chart, but SoundHound closed at $8.88 today. Guys, this stock had some really amazing upward momentum. It opened hard and did a big high up to $9.34, and then it went on a downtrend and it went all the way, dropped to $8.95, and then pretty much spent from, let's see, 9:49 in the morning all the way until, what is this, 11 o'clock in the morning, up to the close candle, $9.23. So not huge, but about 28 cents per share. Okay, times 1,000 shares, guys, you're gonna make some money. Anyway, SoundHound, take a look at SoundHound. Another one that I was watching today was Intel. Intel had some really nice results today as well. It opened hard with a hard retest and drop. The stock actually had a bit of a green at the first open, and 9:32 it went right to the red, and it started on its downtrend opening at $23.36, landing up at $22.86. So that is actually I'm trying to get back to it. My levels are causing me not to be able to see it. 23.30 to 22.80. So think about that drop. And then it's up. And it went from basically the first green candle, that was a beautiful candle, opened at 22.89 and came back up and dropped and then continued on an uptrend. And you would say probably this is where I would have been out at $23.22. So pretty nice trend, almost 50 cents per share. Okay, and again, you have to know your risk level, your risk tolerance, how much money are you trading with. Some people don't want to buy a $23, per share cost. Some people want to stay in some of the smaller ones that I like to trade in: APLD, Serve Robotics, SoundHound, Ford, the ones I've been talking about. But good stocks. Anyway, crazy day. There was some news on Wednesday about chips and about Taiwan and China, basically stating they weren't going to provide any chips to the United States. So there was some news there that was negatively affected NVIDIA, which of course brought down APLD, and pretty much every stock ran south. Interestingly enough, we also had President Trump yesterday announce that he was awarding Boeing with the contract to build us our next generation fighter jet. And that did cause Boeing to jump up and to do a good run, but it immediately followed the market trend and followed the SPY and ran down further than where it was when it started. So just a very strange stock opportunity. Today, one stock that I'm in long term, and I know that this channel is all about day trading, but I like to share with you guys at least about one stock that I am holding or considering. Palantir was something I was looking at the last couple of days, bought shares and got in. The next stock that I'm going to tell you about right now is Rocket Labs. Rocket Labs had news today about new helicopters that they are going to be using to fight fires, and basically are basically a new type of helicopter that they have. And let's see here if I can get it on the news here for you guys. U.S. Space Force awards national security contracts to Rocket Lab. Space Force Space System Command said on Thursday it awarded the contracts to Rocket Lab and Stoke Space to expand its portfolio of launch systems for critical space capability. So that obviously caused Rocket Labs to jump. They also had these new helicopters that they were introducing. So just a lot of good news for Rocket Labs. And Rocket Labs closed at $18.42. So you could say pretty much that it in post market went from $18.46, closed at $18.42. But I'm going to tell you where it is right now in the post market. It's right now at $20.13, and there's a good chance this is going to run up some more. And I hope so, because I'm in Rocket Labs and I've been holding Rocket Labs, and it'd be nice to take profit on Rocket Labs. And then if it drops, get back in and do it again. Anyway, guys, please subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. Hit the like button for me. We're building this channel out so we can do this as often as we can, sharing about these best day trading stocks, not financial advice, just my opinion. But I'm going to tell you guys, APLD, Ford, SoundHound, these are stocks that I trade in and out of every day, and make good money. And you guys can too. So let's continue to get rich together. Peace out. Thank you, guys.